Imagine standing still for a moment. No chasing, no running, no striving. Just you, here and now. What would you feel? Relief, peace, or fear? For many of us, the thought of being still, of being nothing, is terrifying. We've been taught that our worth is tied to what we do, what we achieve, and how we compare. But what if I told you that the path to true freedom lies not in becoming, but in simply being? We spend our lives in a constant state of becoming smarter, stronger, more successful. It's a never-ending loop, fueled by memories of the past and fears about the future. This endless pursuit creates a storm of conflict, stress, and exhaustion. But here's the truth. Becoming is an illusion. It's a trap of the mind, convincing us that we're incomplete, that we need more to be whole. What if you could see through this illusion? What if, instead of running, you stopped and embraced the simplicity of now? In this moment, there is nothing you need to achieve. You are not your past. You are not your fears. You are not the endless labels and judgments you've collected over time. You are simply here. And in that simplicity lies profound power. To be nothing is not to be empty. It's to let go of the noise, the expectations, and the pressures that weigh us down. It's to make space for everything that truly matters: peace, clarity, compassion, and boundless creativity. When you embrace being nothing, you discover that nothingness is not the absence of life. It's the essence of it. It's the foundation of all that exists. So, why do we fear being nothing? Because we've been taught to fear simplicity. But simplicity is not small. It's the key to understanding the vastness of life. The truth is, you're not defined by what you do, what you own, or what others think of you. You're defined by how fully you embrace the present. Let go of the need to become. Let go of the illusion of more. When you do, you'll find that in being nothing, you have everything. Simplicity is not the absence of life. It's the doorway to its fullness. Embrace it.